What do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner?
I don't know. Pancit.
I'm hungry.
You're always hungry. This is a snack.
When I get hungry, I get shaky. You get like that? Maybe I eat rice today.
Yeah. You postponed it when you made it. You gonna make pancit?
What pancit?
What kind of pancit is there?
Pancit canton?
What's that?
It's already pasta. Italian.
This is Italian pasta. Why, what's the other one? The rice flavor?
What do you want? Regular pancit or pancit canton?
What's the difference?
It's already 50 degrees. Oh!
Why? You gonna make pancit then or what?
Yeah.
Alright, so. Then that's the plan. Alright? Okay.
Welcome back mga kaibigan, beautiful people, sa ating Cookie Corner. Fluidity of life. Guys, today, ang ahong sulti lahat Bisaya. I'm using my dialect, Bisaya, today. Ang atong lutoon karon pansit. Tada! Canton. Hindi pa to wa pa ni si Glenn makatilaw og pansit canton. Kanunay ko magluto og pansit pero regular na pansit, yung pansit bihon. Pero karon patilawon nato siya og pansit nga canton. Tingnan natin kung Tagalog yun ah. Tanawon nato kung magustuhan niya. Nija, dili niya. So, these are the ingredients. I'm using country style pork ribs. Dalawang hiwa to ay hiniwa-hiwa ko ng bite sizes. Of course, garlic, dalawang cloves. Ito kalahating onions, pahaba, julienne, isang carrot, julienne, green bell pepper, kalahati lang yan, red bell pepper, kalahati lang din. Sorry guys, matagal kasi ako nakatira sa Manila din, kaya saksak sinagol na lang. Bisaya, Tagalog, in English. Tapos, scallion, yung sibuyas. Tapos, baby bok choy. Kasi wala akong repolyo, baby bok choy. Let's start cooking! 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Let's saute first the onion. Garlic. Ahos. Para mabango. Now, you can add the meat. Season, salt and pepper. Put soy sauce. Two tablespoons. Let it cook until the meat is cooked. Brown. Dagdag na natin yung carrot, tapos yung bell peppers, and some of the green onions, yung white part. Look at that color. It's Christmas color. Pretty color. I'm using only 1 pack. It's 8 ounce to 27 grams. Dagdagan natin ng tubig, 1 and 1/2 cup. Para may pangluto sa pansit. Smells good. Now, lagyan na natin yung bok choy. Oops. Sarap. Ito palang ulam na to. Oh. Cooked bok choy. So. Then, we're gonna take it out. So, then you can add the noodles into the broth. After a few minutes, the noodle is cooked. See, it's absorbing all the liquid. We can put back the vegetable and the meat. Pancit Canton is done. And add the spring onions. There you go, guys. Pancit Canton with pork and vegetables.
Time to eat, guys.
Sarap! Oh well, kanya-kanya sandok.
Well, these noodles are really different compared to the other ones.
This is called Pancit Canton. And squeeze lemon. Or calamansi. In the Philippines, calamansi. We don't have calamansi here, so it's lemon. So what do you think? Quick review.
Quick review. Let's see.
This is your first time Canton.
Need a little bit of lemon there. Good. Definitely a different texture compared to the other noodles. Well, they're good. Been more filling than the other ones.
Mm-hmm. Glad you like it.
Thanks for coming. Hope you guys come back again. And I hope you're enjoying yourself wherever you're at.
Okay, okay. Okay. Always just that.
Oh. What are we saying? Bye everyone. Thanks for coming. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to. Bye.